Tom Crossfield, world record attempt, Rubik's Cube, untampered with. 2, 3, go!
Oh, he's marked up already. He's gone.
The pressure's getting to him. 10.
Can I do the white one?
Don't tell him, we'll tell him to score
I want to do on the
after.
same side. Can I do on the same side?
This is an unbelievable talent.
Please, sit down. Sit down.
It's going. Billy's helping. Billy's helping.
He's stumbling.
Don't want Billy involved. Billy, come away.
Billy.
Come away, Billy.
Trying to beat his normal record.
Isn't it?
1 minute 24. Oh.
Come on, quick. 24 seconds left.
Almost there, almost there.
Oh, he's nearly there.
Oh, he's stumbling a little.
Guys,
You're
stop!
fitting him off.
Hurry up.
No!
Where's the black?
112.
Shh.
Tom.
Stop with the pressure on the...
Can't do it with pressure.
Done! Oh! 120!
No, that was 120.
23, beat it.
But you didn't. It was 122.
Did it?
Look, let's see this. Look.
That came from nowhere. You
Look
thought
at
it was going to be a minute, didn't you?
But it was 122
22, I
because
think.
Dad didn't press it quick enough.
Quick.
Right.